Let us imagine you are giving a speech on a stage, but no one is recognizing you or no one noticing you. How awkward it is, right? And also sometimes it feels like heartbreaking. So same goes with your website as well. If Google doesn't recognize your website, then you will end up in loss making. But how to make sure that Google recognize your website? Hey guys, welcome to day 24 of learning digital marketing using AI. So you need to do schema markup and you don't need to do it manually. I'm gonna tell you a AI tool which will help you. So you can find the AI tool name on the screen. Just go to this website, okay, and paste about your business and product lineup. Boom, it will give you amazing schema markup which is right for Google search engines. All right, let us imagine you have a sari brand. Give product details in this website. It will generate amazing schema markup which will help you in ranking in Google search engines. If you like it, like this video and share it with your friends, and don't forget to follow for day 25 of learning digital marketing using AI.